Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to paint in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show you an easy hack. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to choose the photo that you want to edit. Now, to paint over the photo, simply click on Tools at the bottom menu and select the brush option. Now, you can see we have selected dodge and burn. You can increase or decrease the value. Similarly, it works the same for exposure. To increase the exposure, it will whiten the area where we have used the brush. And if we decrease the exposure, it will darken the part. And similarly, the other options like temperature and saturation. As you can see, we have increased the saturation to the places where we have used the brush. And once we're happy with the photo, click here to save changes. And just like that, we can paint over the photo with different effects in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.